Best tips for advertising with Google Ads. Speaking of Google Ads, if you want to get a $500 free credit for your Google Ads, you can check out the first link in the description box. Number 1. Google Clicks. Cost per click, CPC is not important. Which Google product do you prefer to purchase? One of the most expensive methods of online advertising is now Google Ads. If not, even the priciest. It is pricey because it is excellent, and due to a demand for it, the prices go up. However, not everyone who is efficient will receive their money back if the price increases. If you desire more successful marketing, you must make them better. If you wish to enhance your campaigns, the next step is to measure them. Additionally, you should not track impressions or clicks. The cost per real customer must be calculated. This is known as conversion tracking and optimization. What exactly does it mean to optimize or set for conversions? Google doesn't properly understand what you're looking for. Therefore, you must explain Google. You must inform Google that if the visitor accesses the site, does this, does that, and reaches here, then I consider him a true customer. What is a conversion, exactly? Typically, it is specified in Google Analytics. Manage your Google Ads advertising budget effectively. There are significant differences between a huge budget strategy and a small or medium budget approach. A plan for a limited or moderate Google Ads budget. The budget's preservation is the top goal in this situation. Since you don't have much money, you don't want to waste it. Bottom-up strategy is required. You begin at the bottom and rise as your efficiency increases. What does this mean in reality? You start out very specific and with few keywords. Obviously, the expense of the campaign will be inexpensive if you only use a few words while remaining highly focused. Following the campaign's debut, two things may occur. Words do not attract buyers. If so, alter the language and take it from the beginning. Words bring clients, in which case you start catching them with new terms and add additional words, pasting the existing ones. If you run many campaigns, allocate more money to the ones that perform better and aid you in achieving your company objectives while allocating less money to the ones you use to experiment. You might need to think about the target audience for your adverts in order to make them effective. Regarding items, ad content, and other information, consider their particular requirements and any questions they may have. Don't expose your adverts too much. To reduce the number of ad impressions for the same consumers, use the frequency cap, available for video and display network campaigns. By doing this, you can prevent your current and future clients from seeing your advertisement too often. In order to handle fewer campaigns, organize them for best budget allocation, and try to consolidate campaigns of the same type wherever you can. Try to do so. Strategically employ campaign formats. If you run many sorts of advertising in various locations, we advise employing various campaign types to reach your commercials. Find out more about the various campaign kinds so you can select the ones that best meet your marketing objectives. Speaking of Google Ads, if you want to get a $500 free credit for your Google Ads, you can check out the first link in the description box. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.